we have BJP spokesperson Meenakshi Lekhi with us. Ma'am, Rajnath Singh had chosen to celebrate it with Narendra Modi. Why Narendra Modi has not invited Lal Krishna Advani ji, who is from Gujarat itself?
Yeah, I'm very surprised at your question because media has some spin doctors who are busy spreading some kind of rumor and news all the time in the form of a news. There were two celebrations. One happened in the morning, which was at party headquarters, and Mr. Advani was the one who was given a standing ovation because he's the only one amongst the people who saw the first foundation day and were present on the 33rd foundation day also. And there was a huge celebration today at the central office, and the state of Gujarat also had another celebration, and where Mr. Rajnath Singh was present at both the functions. You know, the entire speech of Mr. Gandhi was such a confused speech, and especially when he spoke for 30 minutes and answered two questions in balanced 37 minutes. It was a very strange format, one. Two, there were factual inaccuracies in what he spoke, billion, million, Rani ki Jhansi, Jhansi ki Rani, two, several other things. And the question was of something else, and center-state relationship, and the answer was something else. The question was of water management, answer was something else. Most of the job was cut, paste, copy, so I think he needs to change his speech writer. Country is fed up of asking questions. Country wants answer and answers in certain problems which we are dealing with. We are dealing with the problem of food inflation. We are dealing with the problem of inflation generally, current deficit, price rise, in terms of petroleum products, energy crisis. We want answers for that. So one is looking at a person, an aspirant prime minister, who pretends he's not interested. And if he's not interested, he should give up. He should not be seen. Narendra Modi ji has dismissed by saying, "Is desh mein patthar patthar aur kankad kankad mein shankar hai." That's his, because I think the gentleman who made this statement is not well versed with Hinduism. And so deficiency was very apparent. Yamaraj is also called Dharamraj, and Adharmis are bound to be very inconfident and also perturbed by the presence of Dharamraj. And I think the Adharmis have to learn that Dharm will prevail, and the Janta of this country will finish Adharm and bring the Dharmaraj.
My last question is: do you believe that BJP has by now has declared almost that Narendra Modi is the prime ministerial candidate of the BJP?
No, no, I don't believe that. We have not decided on who the prime minister is going to be, but Mr. Modi's stature as a leader of the BJP cannot be disputed, and all of you must understand that. The prime minister will come with the time. When the prime minister is made, I mean, is this prime minister going anywhere right now? If he's going, we'll decide.